Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again. Thank you for joining me for part 2 of my lessons on Take It Easy from the Eagles. Okay, hopefully you've seen part 1, which was purely about the intro, and also my playthrough I did before that. So I say this is part 2, and it's the rest of the song. Okay, so again I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the key of G as per the Eagles. Okay, so starting with the first verse, when you come out of the intro, the first verse is basically, if you want to play it, it's basic mode, it's just G, C and D. Okay, it's only 3 chords, and you can play the G whichever way you want, that way or that way, whichever fingering you like best. Okay, it doesn't matter, it's a G chord. So I'll just go through it first, and then I'll break it down for you, and then I'll show you three little licks that you can put into fiddly bits, if you like, that you can put into it, which makes it a little bit more like the original. Okay, so here we go with a run through. So it's I'm a running down a road, try to loosen my load, with 7 women on my mind. 4 that wanna hold me, 2 that wanna stroke me, 1 says she's a friend of mine. So that's the basic sequence. Okay, so we'll just break that down for you. So coming out the solo, at the beginning of the song, the intro, well, G starts on a G chord. Okay, well, I'm a running down the road, try to loosen my load, I've got 7 women, D on my C mind, G, 4 that wanna own me, D, 2 that wanna stow me, C, 1 says she's a friend of G mine. Very simple. Okay, so once again very slowly. Well, I'm G running down the road, try to loosen my load, got 7 D on my C mind, G, 4 that wanna owe me, D, 2 that wanna stow me, C, 1 says she's a friend of G mine. Now, what I like to do is put in these little runs. Okay, it's purely an option, you don't have to do them, it's just something I thought might be a nice thing to add. Okay, so the way I'm doing it is I'm running down the road, try to loosen my load, 7 women on my mind, 4 that wanna own me, 2 that wanna slow me, 1 that she's a friend of mine. Okay, that's what I was doing in verse 1. So break it down for you. So the G, running the road, try to loosen my load, I've got 7 women deep on my mind. Little run, very simple. 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, 2nd fret of the 5th string, open 5th string, and then you play the 3rd, you form a G chord and play the 3rd fret of the bottom E string and then strum the G. Okay, so it's my mind, 4 that wanna own me. So just do that again. So I'm running down the road, try to loosen my load, I've got 7 women on my mind, 4 that wanna own me. And then we do a lead up to the D chord, and that's like open A string, 2nd on the A string, 3rd on the A string, so D string open, 4th string open. Right? So now we've got I'm running down the road, try to loosen my load, I've got 7 women on my mind, 4 that wanna own me, 2 that wanna stone me. Okay, and the final one is you play the open D string, the 1st fret of the D string, form a C chord and play that 2nd on the 4th, and then play the C chord. Okay, and those are the 3 little riffs. Okay, so from the beginning, very slowly. I'm a running down the road, try to loosen my load, I got 7 women on my mind, 4 that want heart of me to the water strumming, one that says she's a friend of mine. Okay, then we're into the chorus. Take it E minor, easy. Take it C, E, G, E. Okay, so first line of the chorus. Take it easy. Take it C, E, G. Don't let the A minor sound of your own will. I like to put in a little note there leading up to the C, okay? We're going to let the sound of your own, second on the fifth, and then you go into the C chord, okay? So take it easy, take it easy, don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you back to E minor, crazy. Okay, so the first two lines of the chorus coming out of that one, that's one that says she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Right, lighten C up while you keep still. G can. Don't even C, try to understand. Just find a A minor place to make that second on the fifth again your stand. C, take it easy. There's your first chorus, okay? So we'll go from right from the beginning, okay? Slowly. First verse. Well, I'm running down the road, gotta loosen my load. Sit with me on my mind. For the water of me to the water story, one that she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Lighten up while you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make you stand. Take it easy. Then we play that opening lick again in the intro, right? Into the second verse. Okay, so we play that riff again and we're into the second verse, okay? And the second verse is similar to the first one, okay? Well, I'm standing on the corner in Windsor, such a fine D, right, to see. Run, right, that run again like we did in the first one. Feel my Lord, the flat bears floor, slowing down to take a look at me. Bit tricky with the words on that one, but it's the same as the first verse, okay? Slowly. Well, I'm standing on a corner in winter, such a delight to see. Run, just go my forward, under the fall, slowing down to take a look at me. Come on. Now we get second chorus. Now this is different, okay? This one, the second chorus is different. Come on, so it goes slowing down, take a look at me. Come on, baby. So that's E minor to D on the second chorus. Doesn't stay on the E minor like it does on the first chorus. The first one was take it easy, take it easy. Second chorus is different. It's come on, baby, no baby. Right, so it's E minor to D. Come on, baby, D, D. Don't say C, A, G, B. A minor, gotta know you're sweet. That's second on the fifth again. C, love, gonna E minor, say. We may C lose, we may G win, though C never be here a G again. So open A minor, up, climb in, second on the fifth, C in, take it easy. Now comes the solo. I'm not going to teach you the actual solo. There's some very, very good videos on YouTube concentrating on this solo, okay? But the chords are basically the same basically as the verse, okay? So open up, you're climbing in, so take it easy. Solo, ba 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 ba, G D C, G down down, D down down, C da da, G da da, E minor, D da da, C G, A minor da da da, C da 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 da. Now the ending of it is a little bit different. When you come out of that da 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 da, it does a whole bar on E minor after the C, E minor for 4, and then on the next bar you do 2 beats on E minor and 2 beats on D. Okay, so it's da 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 da, 1 2 1 2, and then you're into the third verse. Okay, so once again solo. Ba 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 ba, bam 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 bam, ba ba ba, dee da da, C da da, E minor, D da da, C G, A minor, da da da, C. 4 beats on E minor, 2 beats on E minor, 2 beats on D. Well, I'm running down the road. Right, and we go to verse 3. This one is a little bit different. Again, there's another subtle change in it. Well, I'm running down the road, gotta loosen my load, got a world of trouble, D. Now, instead of going to C, we go to A minor on the third verse. Okay, so there's no rundowns on this, little fill-ins, there's no fill-ins on this one, okay, because it goes to A minor. Okay, so it's I'm a running down the road, try to G the road, try to D, A minor, back to G, looking for a lover who D won't blow your cover, so she's C, so hard to G fine. Okay, so third verse, once again, well I'm a G, running down the road, try to loosen my load, got a world of trouble, D on my A minor, fine, G to lover, D won't blow my cover, so C, so hard, G fine, take E minor, E, this is like chorus 1, okay, no D, take it easy, take a C, G, don't let the sound of your hormones fool makes you E minor crazy. Come on baby, so C to G on baby, okay, come on baby, you can emphasise that G if you like, sort of, come on baby, you can emphasise those chords if you like, okay, so it's from the end of the third verse, so she's so hard to find, E minor, take it easy, take it easy, G, don't let A minor lead up, C, wheels make you E minor crazy, come on baby, A minor, gotta know what I lead up to love, gotta then you stop on the G, okay? It just stops on that G, okay? Single strum, save me. So once again, chorus, final chorus there. Take it easy, C to G, easy, A minor, C, C to G, go on. Don't say you gotta know what goes it's gonna save me. And then just go C, G, C, G, C, gotta make it G to G7 to C. So that's the bit that goes, we gotta make it G, G7, C. We ought to take it G, G7, C. And a little bit on the end, very simple. Third fret, third string, second fret. Slide up to the 4th fret, back to the 2nd fret. Just as simple like that, okay? So it's we ought to take it easy. So it's a slide up, 2nd fret on the 3rd string to the 4th fret, back to the 2nd fret, open 3rd string, E minor, single strum, okay? And there you have it, boys and girls. I hope you managed to follow that alright and I didn't confuse you too much. It's my take on take it easy for a single acoustic guitar, okay, with the options of a few fiddly bits if you want, okay? Bye for now. Thanks very much for watching.